An analog signal is an accurate representation of a physical signal. It is analogous to it, hence the name. An example is this figure. The x and y axis are both continuous variables. The magnitude of the analog signal can take any value. Electronic circuits that process such signals are known as analog circuits. The vast majority of signals around us are analog. It is, however, useful to convert analog signals into what is known as digital signals. If we observe this analog signal at definite instances of time, we get a signal such as this. Notice that the x-axis is now discrete. This process is known as sampling. However, each sample can still take on any real value in the continuous range, so it is still an analog signal. If we represent the magnitude of each sample, this dot here, by a number having a finite number of digits, then the signal will no longer be continuous. This is because it can now only take a limited finite number of values. The signal is said to be digitized or quantized and is now what we call a digital signal.